stories that you normally hear.
Right now.
He is alive and he's healing.
A 16-year-old's family is thankful he's alive.
We want charges. That's what we want.
But they are standing among hundreds in the community.
Justice! Now! We don't get it! Shut it down! We don't get it! Shut it down! We don't get it! Shut it down!
Making their voice heard and presence known, taking a step towards justice, up to the home where Ralph Yarl was shot twice.
It gave me a sickening feeling. I just kept looking back at the house.
As a mother of 3 children, this enrages me.
Community members say they are speaking from a place of pain.
We are not just angry when our babies get shot. We are angry every day because our bodies are hurting, our babies are hurting. We must love and support each other. We must love and support each other.
Crying out for answers, a community is praying for y'all's family and peace, not stopping until they get justice.
I realize that justice doesn't come overnight, but the fact that there's a kid in the hospital and everything I read says not even a charge has been done, that concerns me.
Just hold this man accountable, and you see that the community came out and supported. We are a community. If one of our children is shot, killed, we all are here.
In Kansas City, Leslie DelasBour, KHSB 41 News.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.